Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Friday. And today, yeah, not the best day, but that's more of a looking at a 1 day type thing. Looking at it from a big picture, the bulls are holding their own, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But like I said, today in and of itself, yeah, kind of a buzzkill. I mean, it started off great. I mean, the gap up, the price ran, and then surprise, found resistance right up there at that purple line, which I talked about on Friday. And that's just technical analysis 101. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So as I talked about, yeah, going into the day, this had been a level of support, but on Friday when it was broken, now you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened on the bounce up there. So I'm not saying it's impossible to break through there. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price ultimately did get rejected, by that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, the more important thing, because like I said, right now I'm just talking about it from just a 1 day slice in time. Looking at multiple slices in time, you can see that the price is still maintaining itself by holding up above the very important level, that pink line there, the 200-period simple moving average. And as I talked about in Friday's video, even if you have a very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that from a grand scheme of things type viewpoint, that's the level that you want to see hold, because that's just an overall level that a lot of people keep their eyeballs on. And it didn't even get tested today. So from that perspective, yeah, the bulls are holding their own, and I get it, the pullback, it pulled back from this morning when it was attempting to break out. But that's just 1 day. When we're looking at multiple days here, you can see the bulls do still have an opportunity to build that higher base. And again, the quote-unquote higher base I'm defining as staying up above that 200 period. So that's still totally in play. The week is young, so we'll see if the price can not only hold above that pink line, but give another shot up here at that purple line there, and see if the price can actually break through and close up above it with any sort of another attempt up there. So like 4 days left. Let's see how things continue to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.